Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your go-to for razor-sharp stock breakdowns. I'm Mitchell, and today we're etching out the details on Photronics, ticker PLAB, PLAB, the global leader in photomask solutions powering semiconductors and flat panel displays. Explosive action today. As of December 10th, PLAB shares have skyrocketed 45% to $36.50, blasting past prior highs after blockbuster Q4 fiscal 2025 earnings. Revenue hit $215.8 million, topping estimates by over 5% despite a 3.1% year-over-year dip, while non-GAAP EPS soared to 0.60, a 33% beat on 0.45 forecasts. GAAP net income jumped to $1.07 per share, more than doubling last year's Q4. Full year revenue landed at $849.3 million, with IC sales at $615 million amid AI-driven high-end demand offsetting Asia softness. Guidance shines brighter. Q1 2026 revenue eyed at $217 to $225 million, above consensus, with EPS 0.51 to 0.59, fueling optimism in the chip renaissance. Analysts strong buy consensus hold, but CapEx intensity and regional volatility. PLAB, semiconductor surge or fleeting flash? Weigh in below, like for the wins, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids. Trade with precision. See you next. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. We'll see you in the next one.